Okay, showcase track 2. Two birds. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Too many names, too many the same. Unrelated coincidence, complex ways. Next week and a half, 10 days grace. Yacht yang, missing plane. Every cat has it every day. Third person keeps it sane. Revolution of the brain. You got two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Oh, women now, two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Whistle while you will. Silence is a screaming thrill. Humming to your favorite song. When the dog has got your tongue, it's yacht yang, misplane. Every cat has every day. Third person keeps it sane. Revolution of the brain. You got two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Ah, women have two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Altar girls, congregation, easy chairs, mesmeration. Ships moving without spaces, invisible creatures with happy faces. Yacht yang, miss a plane. Every cat has every day. Third person keeps it sane. Revolution of the brain. You got two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Woo! And we have two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Ah, two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. Two birds with their heads in a bucket of grain. And that's that. Okay, between the second and third, after the second chorus, there'll be solos for everybody before the third verse and the double chorus to end it. All right? Note self.